Ever scrolled through Forbes, mesmerized by those 30 under 30 lists? We see those young entrepreneurs barely old enough to rent a car, yet commanding empires worth millions. They started with a simple idea, a spark of innovation, and transformed it into a reality that changed the world. In this video, we're diving deep into Entrepreneurship 101, arming you with the knowledge and tools to turn your dreams into million-dollar realities. Get ready to unlock your inner entrepreneur and embark on a journey of innovation and impact. The path to entrepreneurial success is paved with passion, resilience, and a whole lot of hard work. It's about identifying problems, big or small, and crafting creative solutions that resonate with the world. Think of the giants, the Amazons, the Googles, the Apples of the world. They all started as mere ideas, seeds of innovation planted in the minds of ordinary individuals. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down the essential steps, the actionable strategies that can take you from that initial spark of an idea to a thriving, impactful business. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind to be your own boss and to make a real difference in the world, buckle up. Every million-dollar business, every groundbreaking innovation starts with an idea. But where do these million-dollar ideas come from? The truth is they can come from anywhere, from the most mundane aspects of your daily life to the loftiest realms of your imagination. The key is to cultivate a mindset of curiosity, to constantly question, observe, and seek out opportunities for improvement. Pay attention to the problems you encounter, the frustrations you experience, the things you wish were easier, faster, or more enjoyable. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, to challenge conventional wisdom, and to dream big. Tap into those passions, and you'll be amazed by the brilliant ideas that begin to flow. Now let's talk about what makes an idea not just good, but million-dollar worthy uniqueness. In a world saturated with products and services, it's not enough to simply offer something that already exists. Think about Airbnb. They didn't invent hotels, they revolutionized the way we travel by tapping into the sharing economy. Uber didn't invent taxis. They disrupted the entire transportation industry with their on-demand ride-hailing service. Your idea doesn't have to reinvent the wheel, but it does need to offer something fresh, something that solves a problem in a new and compelling way. This is your unique selling point, your competitive advantage, and it's what will ultimately draw customers to your business. Having a killer idea is essential, but it's only the first step. To turn that idea into a million-dollar business, you need to ensure it's not just a passion project, but a viable venture with the potential for profit and scalability. This is where market research comes in. Before you invest your time, energy, and resources into building your business, you need to validate your idea and ensure there's a market demand for what you're offering. Market research involves gathering and analysing information about your target audience, your competitors, and the overall industry landscape. The more you understand your market, the better equipped you'll be to develop a product or service that meets a real need and build a successful, sustainable business. Okay, so you've got a unique idea and you've validated that there's a market for it. Now it's time to bring your idea to life, at least in a preliminary form. This is where prototyping comes in. A prototype is essentially a first draft of your product or service. The goal of a prototype is to create a tangible representation of your idea that you can test, experiment with, and gather feedback on. Prototyping allows you to identify potential flaws, refine your concept, and make sure your product or service is on the right track before you invest significant time and resources into development. Once you have a prototype, it's time to unleash it into the world and gather feedback. Seek out feedback from your target audience, potential investors, mentors, and industry experts. Be open to constructive criticism, even if it stings a little. Remember, feedback is not a personal attack. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and make your idea even better. The key is to listen attentively, ask clarifying questions, and truly understand the perspectives of your audience. The beauty of prototyping is that it allows you to make changes early on when the cost of adjustments is relatively low. The path from idea to million-dollar business is rarely a straight line. As you gather feedback and test your prototype, you'll likely discover areas for improvement, new features to add, or even the need to pivot your idea entirely. This is all part of the process, and it's essential to embrace iteration and adaptability. Think of your business idea as a work in progress, constantly evolving and improving. Be open to making changes based on the feedback you receive, the market trends you observe, and the lessons you learn along the way. So, embrace the journey, be open to change, and never stop refining your masterpiece. You've got a game-changing idea, you've validated it, prototyped it, and refined it based on feedback. You're well on your way, but here's the thing about building a million-dollar business. You can't do it alone. Even the most brilliant, driven entrepreneurs need a powerhouse team to turn their vision into a reality. Assembling the right team is like gathering superheroes for an epic mission. Look for individuals who not only excel in their respective fields, but who also share your core values and believe in your vision. Start with a small core group of individuals who complement your strengths and fill in the gaps in your skill set. When building your A team, diversity is key. Think about the different aspects of your business, product development, marketing, sales, finance, operations. Assess your own strengths and weaknesses honestly. Are you a tech whiz who can build a killer app but struggles with marketing? Find a marketing guru who can translate your technical brilliance into compelling messaging. Are you a creative visionary with a knack for design but find financial projections daunting? Bring on a numbers whiz who can manage your finances. Focus on your strengths, delegate tasks that fall outside your wheelhouse, and trust your team to excel in their respective areas. Building a strong team goes beyond simply assembling a group of skilled individuals. It's about cultivating a winning culture, an environment where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their best work. Clearly communicate your vision, your goals, and your expectations to your team. Foster open communication and collaboration. Celebrate both individual and team accomplishments, no matter how small. Set the tone, lead by example, and create a workplace where everyone feels valued, respected, and inspired to do their best work. You've got a stellar team, a validated idea, and a prototype that's turning heads. Now comes the question of funding. Just like a rocket needs fuel to reach orbit, your business needs capital to grow and thrive. There are various avenues for funding your venture, each with its own advantages and considerations. Research different funding sources, understand their investment criteria, and prepare a solid pitch deck that articulates your value proposition, market opportunity, and financial projections. Remember, securing funding is not just about the money, it's about finding partners who believe in your vision and can provide guidance and support as you scale your business. Imagine this, you're in a room with potential investors, their eyes fixed on you, their pens poised over their notepads. This is your moment to shine, to captivate their attention and convince them that your business is the next big thing. Your pitch isn't a dry recitation of facts and figures. It's a story, a narrative that draws investors in, evokes their emotions, and leaves them wanting more. Start with a hook, a compelling opening that grabs their attention and sets the stage for your presentation. Highlight your unique selling proposition. What sets you apart from the competition? Back up your claims with data, market research, and financial projections. Be confident, be prepared, and show them why your business deserves a seat at the table. Congratulations, you've secured funding and your business is gaining traction. Now comes the exciting, albeit challenging phase of scaling your operations to meet growing demand. Scaling isn't about overnight explosions, it's about sustainable growth that allows you to expand your reach while maintaining quality and efficiency. Start by analysing your current operations, identifying bottlenecks, and streamlining processes. Invest in technology and automation to improve efficiency and reduce manual labour. Develop a robust hiring plan to attract and retain top talent as your team grows. Remember, scaling a business is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a relentless focus on sustainable growth. The entrepreneur's mantra, persistence and innovation. The journey from idea to million-dollar business is rarely a straight shot to the top. It's a winding path filled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But here's the secret. Every successful entrepreneur has encountered those same obstacles. What sets them apart is their unwavering persistence. Entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. To stay ahead, you need to embrace innovation, embrace change, and never be afraid to think outside the box. Your journey starts now. Join the conversation. So there you have it, your crash course in Entrepreneurship 101. We've covered a lot of ground today, from generating million-dollar ideas to building dream teams and scaling your business to the stars. But this is just the beginning. The real journey starts now, the moment you decide to take action, to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a tangible reality. Remember, you have the power within you to make a difference, to create something truly extraordinary. Don't let fear, doubt, or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the unknown, embrace the challenges, and embrace the incredible journey that awaits you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your million-dollar idea? What challenges are you facing on your entrepreneurial journey? Share your thoughts your questions, and your insights in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future episodes of Online with Teresa. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep hustling hard, and keep believing in your power to change the world.